Hi YouTube, so today I will be doing a unboxing of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. I got this about a week ago, so I thought I'd open it while making a video, and there's a few extra things which I've gotten with this, which is a Toro case and a Magic John screen protector. I've seen a lot of these ads out there, so I thought I'll give it a go. And an Easy Fit Optic Pro, that's for the to protect the lens. So this one that I've gotten is the 12 gigabyte RAM and 512 gigabyte of storage. It's in titanium white silver. So we'll just open it up and see what's inside. Let's just remove these tabs. And open it up. So you've got the phone. You've got the phone. Okay, so we have the phone here. And what's in the box here? Is there anything in here? Okay, USB Type-C charging cable. Few instructions. That's for your that's for your I think to open up where your SIM goes, SIM card, but this has got the eSIM also, and nothing else, guys. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll turn the box upside down, put the phone, get the phone out, and there you go. So I'll remove the screen. So when I remove the screen, I will actually use this the Magic John screen protector. So I've heard these are very strong, and I've also seen ads where they, smash the screen with a hammer and nothing happens to it. So hopefully it's all true. So the instructions are: you put it in, just give it a wipe, and that's it. So let's open it up. So let's open it up, and well, I don't need to give the screen a wipe because I'm just going to remove the factory protector screen here, and then I'm just going to quickly flip this over, and let's see what happens. So it's supposed to remove everything out of there, any dust or anything like that. There you go. So I will do that, and I will do this. Clip it, and you're supposed to pull this and you open it up. And you're supposed to get the bubbles out. I'll just remove the bubbles. And just push it out. And then you remove this. That is impressive. That is impressive. But then again, I was doing it to a new phone, so I didn't have any dust or anything on it. But that is still impressive, because this was actually touching the screen, and I had touched this with my fingers. So apparently this, when you pull it, you get another screen which wipes off which takes away the dust. So this is very impressive. Okay, now the next thing is to protect it. We'll put some, so this can be used for next time. As you can see, you get a spare one also in there. So let me just put this there. Yep, save all of that. And now for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, that's the lens protector. That's from Spigen. This one alone was about, I think, upwards of $40, just this. There were other ones on the market for about $10 or $9, but this one was about $40 Australian. Really sealed up. So that's about $40 Australian, is about probably $27 US. The phone itself was the 512 gigabyte storage and the 12 gigabyte RAM. They only come in 12 gigabyte RAM, these phones. The phone itself was about 2,300 something, and that's about US probably, I don't know, probably about 1,600 US, I suppose, or 1,500 US, something like that. Okay, so we get, so pull that back and put it on, press and remove. Okay, so you get two of that, one to save for next time, and obviously dust. We'll see if we need the dust remover or not. So this has got the Ultra, has the 200 zoom. Sorry, the 200 pixel. Sorry. So I don't think I've ever had a phone that. There you go. So let's put that on. Now remove. I don't know if that's done anything or not. Oh yeah, I think it has, because that's got the black circles and this doesn't now after application, so it has, that's gone on. Yes, that's gone on. So as you can see, guys, okay, that's it. So that's removed, and now let's get the, now this is a leather case, and the reason I got this was because I mean, it's an expensive phone. I'm not gonna go very cheap on the case itself. So it's a leather case, but it's got a high ridge when it comes to the camera, protecting the camera at the back, because you can see the camera has got like a, it's protruding outside the phone. So a lot of the cases don't give you that protection, the cheaper ones. So there you go. This is the black one with the red embossed, bull logo. And I've got they give you a feel of the leather that they use, see? Of what leather they use, so that's what it looks inside. I don't know if you can see it or not properly, but this was the one with the red stitching. It's just off Amazon, guys, so let's put this in. Some dust in there. Okay. See, so you can see it still protects the lens, you know, it's still hidden inside that ridge. See, this is the high bit. That area there is pretty high. It's about, you know, that much higher. So you can see it's still inside. Anyway, all in all, I'm very happy, guys. I'm going to start setting this phone up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It'll help the channel out. You know, I'm just starting off. You know, I've been doing it for a while, but you know, on and off videos. So I hope you can subscribe and just you know, keep on supporting the channel. Thank you.